हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आ पूर्वर आम कोर 11 जाए सब कोर समस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन कर सारी। आज देखिए कोर 12 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलते स्टार्ट करवा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची हु इज ऑफन रिगार्डेड एज द फादर ऑफ कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन अछि जे.एस. मिल, फ्रेडरिच फ्रोबेल, मार्क एंटोइन जुलियन, होरास मैन। आर आंसर of option number C, Mark Antoine Julian. Mark Antoine Julian is known as the father of comparative education for his systematic approach to comparing education systems in different countries. He proposed a scientific method for comparison in the 19th century. तापर 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following pioneers emphasized the importance of cultural context in comparative education? Option A is Georg Berede, Isaac Kundell, Plato, Mark Antoine Julian. Our answer of option number B, Isaac Kundell. Isaac Kundell highlighted the need to understand the cultural and social background of countries when comparing their education systems. He believed education must be studied in the context of national character. तापर देखा 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गॉर्गे बेरेडे टू कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए इन्वेंटेड टू क्वेश्चनेयर टेक्निक, इंट्रोड्यूस द 4 स्टेज मॉडल ऑफ कंपैरिजन, क्रिएटेड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कल्चरल रिलेटिविज्म, डेवलप्ड स्कूल ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम्स. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इंट्रोड्यूस द 4 स्टेज मॉडल ऑफ कंपैरिजन. Georg Berede contributed a comparative methodology that involved 4 steps like description, interpretation, juxtaposition, and comparison, which helped systemize comparative education research. तापर 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which early pioneer of comparative education was an American who supported the idea of learning from foreign systems? Option A, Horace Mann, John Dewey, Edward Thorndike, Ralph Tiller. Our answer of option number A, Horace Mann. Horace Mann, an American reformer, visited Europe and specially admired the Persian education system. He believed America could improve by learning from other countries' practices. तापर 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is considered a methodological contributor rather than a philosopher to comparative education? Option A, Rousseau, Julien de Paris, John Locke, Comenius. Our answer of option number B, Julien de Paris. Julien de Paris, जे कि मार्क एंटोइन जुलियन भी थिले, proposed a methodical and scientific framework for comparing educational systems, making him a methodological pioneer rather than just a philosopher or thinker. तापर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which organization was conducted large scale comparative studies in education such as PISA and TIMSS? Our option is UNESCO, UNICEF, OECD, World Bank. Our answer of option number C, OECD. OECD is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Conducts major international assessments like PISA, Program for International Student Assessment, which compares the educational performance of 15-year-old students across countries. तापर 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन फॉर द इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एजुकेशनल अचीवमेंट IEA is known for which study? Option A, PIRLS, PISA, UDICE, DICE. Our answer of option number A, PIRLS. IEA conducts PIRLS by Progress in International Reading Literacy Study, which evaluates reading comprehension of students in 4th grade across participating countries. तापर 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what is the main focus of the PISA study conducted by OECD? Option A, academic performance in science only, learning environments and teacher evaluation, application of knowledge in reading, math and science, primary education curriculum structure. Our answer of option number C, application of knowledge in reading, math and science. PISA assesses how well students can apply their knowledge and skills in reading, mathematics and science to real life problems rather than just recall of facts. तापर 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टडीज इज फोकस्ड ऑन कंपेयरिंग अर्ली ग्रेड रीडिंग आउटकम्स इंटरनेशनली ऑप्शन है EGRA TIMSS PISA TPACK आर आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए EGRA. EGRA by Early Grade Reading Assessment is designed to assess basic literacy skills of students in the early primary grades, especially in low and middle income countries. तापर 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज वन की बेनिफिट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कंपैरेटिव स्टडीज इन एजुकेशन ऑप्शन है यूनिफॉर्म करिकुलम अक्रॉस कंट्रीज एलिमिनेशन ऑफ कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस identification of global best practices standardized teaching languages our answer is option number C identification of global best practices comparative studies help identify best practices in education by analyzing and comparing the policies and outcomes of different countries which can then inform educational reform and improvement तापर 11 number question what is the main focus of the statistical approach in comparative education option है analyzing classroom interactions describing historical evolution of education systems comparing educational data numerically across countries exploring students mental processes our answer is option number C comparing educational data numerically across countries the statistical approach relies on quantitative data such as enrollment rates literacy levels and student performance to compare educational systems and identify trends तापर 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन द साइकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच इन कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन प्राइमरीली फोकसेस ऑन ऑप्शन है एजुकेशन फाइनेंसिंग पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजीज लर्निंग बिहेवियर एंड कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट historical development of institutions our answer of option number C learning behavior and cognitive development the psychological approach emphasizes how learners think feel and behave and how these factors influence educational outcomes teaching methods and curriculum development तापर 13 number question which of the following best characterize the historical approach in comparative education option है focuses on experimental data studies present day classroom dynamics analyzes past events and their impact on current education systems uses statistical formulas for comparison our answer is option number C analyzes past events and their impact on current education systems the historical approach investigates the origins, development, and evolution of education in different cultures and times to understand how historical contexts shape present systems. तापर 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन which approach is most suitable for identifying trends and making predictions in education ऑप्शन है historical approach psychological approach statistical approach philosophical approach our answer is option number C statistical approach the statistical approach allows researchers to track patterns over time compare across countries and forecast future educational developments using numerical data तापर 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन द साइकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच हेल्प्स इन ऑप्शन है डिजाइनिंग पॉलिसीज फॉर नेशनल एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स understanding students learning styles and motivations studying education during ancient civilizations comparing global literacy rates our answer of option number B understanding students learning styles and motivation this approach is rooted in psychology and learning theories helping educators and researchers tailor instruction based on individual differences needs and mental processes तापर 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिफाइन्स ए नेशन ऑप्शन है ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन द सेम सिटी ए पॉलिटिकल टेरिटोरी रूल्ड बाय वन लीडर ए कम्युनिटी ऑफ पीपल विथ शेयर्ड कल्चर लैंग्वेज एंड आइडेंटिटी ए रीजन विथ सिमिलर क्लाइमेट एंड जियोग्राफी our answer of option number C a community of people with shared culture language and identity a nation is defined as a socially constructed community bound by common language culture history and often ethnicity it is more about shared identity than just geographical borders तापर 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन नेशनल ट्रेडिशंस आर प्राइमरीली पास्ड डाउन थ्रू ऑप्शन है नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स political speeches, cultural practices and education, economic transactions. Our answer of option number C, cultural practices and education. National traditions are transmitted via family, schools, rituals and festivals, forming part of a nation's collective memory and identity. ତାପରେ 18 number question, which of the following is a characteristic feature of national traditions? Option A, universal acceptance across all nations, static and unchanging over time, linked to historical events and collective memory, always dictated by the government. Our answer of option number C, linked to historical events and collective memory. National traditions often stem from significant historical events, myths or heroes that symbolize unity and shared experiences of the nation. तापर 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द आइडिया ऑफ ए नेशन स्टेट कंबाइन्स ऑप्शन ए कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी एंड वार, गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल एंड इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम्स, नेशनल आइडेंटिटी एंड पॉलिटिकल सोवर्जिनिटी, एजुकेशन एंड रिलीजन. Our answer of option number C, national identity and political sovereignty. A nation state refers to a politically sovereign state whose citizens are relatively homogeneous in language and culture, aligning national identity with political boundaries. तापर 20 number question, which of the following helps maintain a sense of national unity? Option A, regional conflicts, foreign policies, shared traditions, symbols and language, only military force. Our answer of option number C, shared traditions, symbols and language. National unity is fostered through common traditions, national holidays, flags, languages, and shared narratives that enforce collective identity. तापर 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए, टू यूनिफाई ऑल ग्लोबल एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स, टू क्रिटिसाइज अदर नेशंस एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स, to analyze and understand different educational systems globally, to eliminate traditional education method. Our answer is option number C, to analyze and understand different educational systems globally. Comparative education aims to study and compare education systems across countries to understand differences and similarities and to learn from diverse practices. तापर 22 number question, comparative education helps in policy making by option A, enforcing foreign policies, copying other countries' systems blindly, offering insights for reform and innovation in one's own system, promoting political ideologies. Our answer of option number C, offering insights for reform and innovation in one's own system. By understanding what works in other countries, comparative education guides educational reforms by adopting successful strategies and avoiding past mistakes. तापर 23 number question, one of the key purposes of comparative education is to option A, increase the cost of education, highlight cultural superiority, promote international understanding and cooperation, reduce the number of schools. Our answer of option number C, promote international understanding and cooperation. Comparative education encourages cross-cultural awareness and mutual respect, promoting global citizenship and educational collaboration. तापर 24 number question, comparative education contributes to academic research by option A, repeating the same study in different locations, providing data for critical analysis of educational practices, focusing only on language learning, replacing qualitative methods with quantitative. Our answer of option number B, providing data for critical analysis of educational practices. It supports research by offering diverse educational data from multiple countries, allowing researchers to identify trends, evaluate practices and propose theories. तापर 25 number question, how does comparative education benefit developing countries? Option A, by making their systems obsolete, by importing all foreign curriculum, by offering successful models to adopt for their own development, by discouraging innovation. Our answer of option number C, by offering successful models to adopt for their own development. Developing nations can study successful practices from other countries and adopt them according to their own socio-economic and cultural needs, enhancing their education system. तापर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ एरिया स्टडीज इन कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन ए रैंकिंग कंट्रीज बेस्ड ऑन लिटरेसी रेट्स, describing and interpreting a country's educational system in its context, replacing traditional methods with technology, eliminating cultural elements from education. Our answer is option number B, describing and interpreting a country's educational system in its context. Area studies involve an in-depth description and analysis for a particular nation's educational system by considering its social, cultural, economic and political context. तापर 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन descriptive area studies mainly focus on option A predicting future educational trends, providing detailed factual information about a country's education system, ignoring historical background, promoting global uniformity in education. Our answer of option number B, providing detailed factual information about a country's education system. Descriptive studies in area studies aim to document the structure, curriculum, administration and policies of an educational system without subjective judgment. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंटरप्रेटिव एरिया स्टडीज डिफर फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टडीज बाय ऑप्शन ए अवॉइडिंग एनालिसिस, interpreting the meanings and implications behind educational practices, only focusing on numerical data, excluding historical and cultural background. Our answer of option number B, interpreting the meanings and implications behind educational practices. Interpretive studies go beyond facts to explore the regions, meanings and philosophical foundations of educational practices in their cultural and historical context. तापर 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए की बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग एरिया स्टडीज इन कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन। आर ऑप्शन अछि प्रमोटिंग स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड वाइड, एलिमिनेटिंग लोकल एजुकेशनल सिस्टम्स, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एजुकेशन विद इन द यूनिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ ईच कंट्री, फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन वेस्टर्न मॉडल्स ऑफ एजुकेशन. Our answer of option number C, understanding education within the unique context of each country. Area studies helps educators and policymakers understand how local factors such as culture, history and politics shape education, making them more informed in planning reforms. तापर 30 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए लिमिटेशन ऑफ प्योरली डिस्क्रिप्टिव एरिया स्टडीज इज दैट दे ऑप्शन ए आर टू सब्जेक्टिव, ignore the uniqueness of national systems, provide no explanation of critical insight into practices, cannot be used for comparison. Our answer of option number C, provide no explanation or critical insight into practices. While descriptive studies offer valuable information, they lack analytical depth. Interpretive studies are needed to understand why educational systems work the way they do. तापर 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज juxtaposition in comparative education primarily involve? Option A, combining educational systems into one unified model, arranging two or more educational systems side by side without analysis, making deep interpretations of educational data, developing new curriculum for international schools. Our answer of option number B, arranging two or more educational systems side by side without analysis. Juxtaposition refers to placing two or more educational systems side by side to observe similarities or differences without necessarily analyzing or drawing conclusions from them. तापर 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ कंपैरिजन इन कंपैरेटिव एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन ए, लिस्टिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स विदाउट इंटरप्रेटिंग देम, एनालाइजिंग एजुकेशनल सिस्टम्स टू अंडरस्टैंड सिमिलरिटीज, डिफरेंसेस एंड implications, promoting a single educational system globally, ignoring the cultural context of education. Our answer of option number B, analyzing educational systems to understand similarities, differences and implications. Comparison goes beyond juxtaposition by providing analytical insights into why educational systems differ or resemble each other, often considering historical, cultural and political factors. तापर 33 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्टिंग्विशेस कंपैरिजन फ्रॉम जुक्स्टापोजिशन? ऑप्शन ए, कंपैरिजन इज फास्टर, जुक्स्टापोजिशन इज मोर साइंटिफिक, comparison involves analysis, juxtaposition is descriptive, juxtaposition provides solutions, comparison does not. Our answer of option number C. Comparison involves analysis. Juxtaposition is descriptive. Juxtaposition merely presents descriptive data, while comparison involves interpreting, analyzing, and evaluating the similarities and differences between systems. ତାପରେ 34 number question, why is juxtaposition considered an important first step in comparative studies? Option A, it replaces the need for in-depth research, it helps in ranking countries, it organizes information for further analysis, it promotes educational uniformity. Our answer of option number C, it organizes information for further analysis. Juxtaposition helps arrange data clearly, setting the foundation for more detailed comparative analysis, allowing researchers to later explore causes and implications. ତାପରେ 35 number question, a comparative study that moves from juxtaposition to comparison provides option A, purely statistical information, unbiased narrative accounts only, a deeper understanding of educational systems and their context, a list of curriculum subjects across countries. Our answer of option number C, a deeper understanding of educational system and their context. By starting with juxtaposition and advancing to comparison, researchers gain insight into the reasons behind educational practices, fostering more meaningful conclusions. तापर 36 number question, which of the following is a key impact of racial factors on education systems? Our option is equal curriculum for all, promotion of multicultural understanding, uniform language policy, elimination of historical influences. Our answer of option number B, promotion of multicultural understanding. Racial diversity in education encourages policies that promote multicultural awareness and sensitivity in curriculum and teaching. तापर 37 number question, linguistic diversity within a country primarily affects which aspects of education? Option A, class size, curriculum uniformity, medium of instruction, school infrastructure. Our answer of option number C, medium of instruction. Linguistic differences influence the choice of instructional language, posing challenges and multilingual nations. तापर 38 number question, geographical factors influence the educational system by option A, increasing global cooperation, determining the race of students, shaping access and infrastructure, influencing religious values. Our answer of option number C, shaping access and infrastructure. Remote and hilly areas may lack schools and trained teachers, affecting access to education. तापर 39 number question, an economically disadvantaged region is likely to have option A, high student teacher ratio, better educational technology, more private institutions, less government control. Our answer of option number A, high student teacher ratio. Lack of funding in poorer areas often results in overcrowded classrooms and under-resourced schools. तापर 40 number question, religious factors can impact education by option A, promoting universal values, eliminating language diversity, influencing school holidays and curriculum, increasing government funding. Our answer of option number C, influencing school holidays and curriculum. Religion may dictate what is taught, moral values emphasized, and the calendar of the academic year. तापर 41 number question, which factor is most likely to promote multilingual education policies? Option A, geographical remoteness, economic prosperity, racial homogeneity, linguistic diversity. Our answer of option number D, linguistic diversity. Countries with multiple languages must adopt multilingual strategies to accommodate diverse learners. तापर 42 number question, which of these best reflects the impact of economic factors on curriculum design? Option A, emphasis on digital skills in affluent societies, promotion of agriculture in urban areas, uniform subjects worldwide, elimination of arts education. Our answer of option number A, emphasis on digital skills in affluent societies. Economically developed regions can focus on modern skills like ICT due to better resources. तापर 43 number question, a country with vast deserts and mountains may face option is better transportation for education, fewer geographical barriers, challenges in educational access, higher population density in schools. Our answer of option number C, challenges in educational access. Difficult terrain can hinder the construction and operation of schools. ତାପରେ 44 number question, racial discrimination in educational history was often led to option A is uniform curriculum, inclusive education, segregated schooling, equal access for all. Our answer of option number C, segregated schooling. Racial bias has historically led to separate schools with unequal quality for different races. ତାପରେ 45 number question, the influence of religion in education can be controversial when option A schools are privately funded, religious doctrine replaces scientific knowledge, students celebrate holidays, parents are religious. Our answer of option number B, religious doctrine replaces scientific knowledge. Educational conflict arises when religious beliefs overshadow scientific facts in curricula. ତାପରେ 46 number question, the impact of linguistic factors is minimal in option A monolingual nations, multicultural societies, colonized countries, regions with tribal populations. Our answer of option number A, monolingual nations. Countries with one dominant language do not face the same instructional challenges as multilingual ones. ତାପରେ 47 number question, which factor is least affected by religious diversity? Option A curriculum content, holiday calendar, teacher recruitment, school building structure. Our answer of option number D, school building structure. While curriculum and operations may reflect religious values, infrastructure is generally unaffected. तापर 48 number question, one way governments address educational inequality due to economic factors is by option A reducing curriculum, privatizing education, implementing scholarship programs, limiting school hours. Our answer of option number C, implementing scholarship programs. Scholarship help level up playing field for economically disadvantaged students. तापर 49 number question, in comparative education geographical factors are studied to option A understand political ideologies, assess environmental challenges to access, develop religious values, promote uniform curriculum globally. Our answer of option number B, assess environmental challenges to access. Geography can limit or promote school access depending on terrain and climate. तापर 50 number question, which statement is true about racial factors in comparative education? Option A racial homogeneity complicates education, racial identity influences access and curriculum, racial factors have no impact today, education system are blind to race. Our answer of option number B, racial identity influences access and curriculum. Cultural responsiveness and equity in education often require addressing racial histories and realities. तापर 51 number question, linguistic minorities often struggle in school because option A they receive extra resources, their language is often not the medium of instruction, they dominate peer groups, curriculum favors them. Our answer of option number B, their language is often not the medium of instruction. Learning in an unfamiliar language hinders understanding and academic success. तापर 52 number question, which factor is most associated with inequality in educational outcomes? Option A equal curriculum, economic disparity, common religion, shared language. Our answer of option number B, economic disparity. Wealth gaps lead to disparities in school resources, teacher quality and student performance. तापर 53 number question, religious education in a secular system is often approached through option A doctrinal training, exclusion of religion, comparative religious studies, compulsory prayer. Our answer of option number C, comparative religious studies. Secular systems teach about religions rather than promote one to maintain inclusivity. तापर 54 number question, which of the following is a direct result of linguistic policies in education? Option A increased birth rates, segregation by income, mother tongue instruction, gender based curricula. Our answer of option number C, mother tongue instruction. To enhance learning, some systems introduce early education in students' native languages. तापर 55 number question, which factor often results in gender disparities in education in developing regions? Racial laws, economic and religious beliefs, linguistic barriers, weather conditions. Our answer of option number B, economic and religious beliefs. Traditional norms and lack of resources may limit girls' education opportunities in certain areas. तापर 56 number question, which of the following is a key characteristic of the education system in the UK? Option A is centralized control by federal government, uniform education policy across all countries in the UK, decentralized education system with regional autonomy, only private institutions provide schooling. Our answer of option number C, decentralized education system with regional autonomy. The UK has a developed system where education is the responsibility of each country, like England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, allowing for variation in policies and curriculum. तापर 57 number question, in the UK the national curriculum is followed strictly in option A is Scotland only, all private schools, England and Wales, Northern Ireland only. Our answer of option number C, England and Wales. The national curriculum is statutory in England and Wales, outlining subjects and content to be taught. Scotland and Northern Ireland have their own curriculum frameworks. तापर 58 number question, which of the following best describes the basic structure of schooling in England? Option A, primary, secondary, tertiary, nursery, middle, senior, elementary, high school, college, basic, vocational, university. Our answer of option number A, primary, secondary, tertiary. The education system in England is structured into primary education which is ages 5 to 11, secondary education which is age 11 to 16, and tertiary education which is post 16 education including college and university. तापर 59 number question, the curriculum in UK schools emphasizes option A, religious training, only technical education, a broad and balanced education including arts, science and humanities, military training. Our answer of option number A, broad and balanced education including arts, science and humanities. The UK curriculum is designed to be broad and balanced, providing students with a wide knowledge base and critical skills across various disciplines. तापर 60 number question, how is student evaluation primarily conducted in the UK school system? Option A, through oral exams only, based on teacher opinion, through standardized assessment like GCSE and A levels, by random classroom test. Our answer of option number C, through standardized assessments like GCSE and A levels. Students in the UK are assessed through standardized national exams such as GCSEs at age 16 and A levels at age 18, which play a crucial role in further education admissions. तापर 61 number question, which of the following is a key characteristic of the education system in the United States? Option A is centralized national curriculum, uniform education policy across all states, decentralized control with state and local authority, education managed only by the federal government. Our answer of option number C, decentralized control with state and local authority. The US education system is highly decentralized with each state and local school district having autonomy over curriculum, funding and policy implementation. तापर 62 number question, the basic structure of formal education in the USA includes option A, primary, secondary, higher, elementary, middle, high school, post secondary, nursery, primary, vocational, basic, technical, professional. Our answer of option number B, elementary, middle, high school, post secondary. The typical structure in the US includes elementary school grades K to 5, middle school grades which is 6 to 8, high school grades 9 to 12, and post secondary education such as college and or university. तापर 63 number question, which of the following statements about the US schools curriculum is true? Option A, the federal government dictates the curriculum. Each state creates its own curriculum standards. The curriculum is the same in every school. religious instruction is mandatory in public schools? Our answer of option number B. Each state creates its own curriculum standards. In the USA, each state sets its own educational standards, often influenced by national frameworks like the Common Core, but implementation varies widely. ତାପରେ 64 number question. What is the primary method of students assessment in US public schools? Option A is only oral examination, continuous internal teacher evaluation, a combination of formative and standardized testing, only final year exams. Our answer of option number C, a combination of formative and standardized testing. US schools use both formative assessment, ongoing classroom evaluation, and standardized tests. Example is SAT, ACT, state exams to assess student learning. तापर 65 number question. Which body primarily oversees education policy and funding in the US? Option A is the US President, United Nations Educational Department, state and local governments, World Bank. Our answer of option number C, state and local government. State departments of education and local school boards are primarily responsible for managing education policy, curriculum and funding in the US. तापर 66 number question. Which of the following best describes the structure of the Chinese education system? Our option is 6-3-3 system, primary, middle, secondary. 5-3-4 system, 6-3-3 system होची प्राइमरी, जूनियर सेकेंडरी, सीनियर सेकेंडरी. तापर 4-4-4 सिस्टम. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 6-3-3 सिस्टम. फास्ट होची प्राइमरी, तापर जूनियर सेकेंडरी, तापर सीनियर सेकेंडरी. चाइना follows a 6-3-3 education structure with 6 years of primary school, 3 years of junior secondary school and 3 years of senior secondary school, followed by higher education. तापर 67 number question. What is a defining characteristic of the Chinese education system? Option A is emphasis on liberal arts, strong focus on rote memorization and exams, fully student directed learning, no emphasis on examination. Our answer of option number B, strong focus on rote memorization and exams. The Chinese education system is exam oriented, placing significant emphasis on memorization and performance in high stake exams such as the Cao College entrance exam. तापर 68 number question. Which subject is considered core in China's national curriculum? Option A philosophy, art, mathematics, physical education. Our answer of option number C, mathematics. In China, mathematics along with Chinese language and English is part of the core curriculum and is heavily emphasized from an early age. तापर 69 number question. How is student performance primarily evaluated in China? Option A is continuous classroom observation only, group projects and presentation, standardized examination and test scores, peer review assessment. Our answer of option number C, standardized examination and test scores. Student evaluation in China is largely based on written examination, especially national standardized tests, which determine advancement and access to higher education. तापर 70 number question. Which of the following is a recent reform trend in China's education system? Option A is reducing curriculum content in core subjects, moving away from exam pressure and promoting holistic education, eliminating physical education from schools, adopting a foreign-based education system. Our answer of option number B, moving away from exam pressure and promoting holistic education. In recent years, China has introduced reforms aimed at reducing academic pressure and encouraging well-rounded development, including sports, arts, and moral education. तापर 71 number question. What is a key characteristic of the Japanese education system? Option A is emphasis on individualism and competition, relaxed discipline and flexible schedules, strong focus on discipline, group harmony and moral education, fully privatized schooling. Our answer of option number C, strong focus on discipline, group harmony and moral education. The Japanese education system emphasizes group values, discipline and moral education, aiming to build social responsibility and cooperation among students. तापर 72 number question. What is the basic structure of formal education in Japan? 5-3-3-4, primary, junior high, senior high, university 6334, elementary, lower secondary, upper secondary, university 4444, 6224. Our answer of option number B 6334, elementary, lower secondary, upper secondary, university. Japan follows a 6334 structure: 6 years of elementary school, 3 years of lower secondary, 3 years of upper secondary, and 4 years of university. तापर 73 number question, which of the following subjects is part of the moral education component in Japanese schools? Option A advanced calculus, ethics, community values and social responsibility, global finance, only religious teachings. Our answer of option number B ethics, community values and social responsibility. Moral education in Japan teaches values like honesty, respect, responsibility and social cooperation, often through storytelling, classroom discussion and teacher modeling. तापर 74 number question, how are students primarily evaluated in Japanese schools? Option A only through final national examinations based solely on homework and attendance, through a combination of internal assessment and standardized exams by peer feedback. Our answer of option number C, through a combination of internal assessment and standardized exam. Japanese students are assessed using regular classroom evaluations, homework behavior and periodic standardized tests, especially in upper secondary and university entrance levels. तापर 75 number question, what is a recent trend or reform in Japan's education system? Elimination of science and math from the curriculum, introduction of relaxed education followed by a return to academic rigor, replacement of public education with private schooling, removal of moral education. Our answer of option number B introduction of relaxed education followed by a return to academic rigor. Japan experimented with Utori Koiku relaxed education in the 2000s to reduce pressure, but due to concerns over declining academic performance, there was a return to more rigorous standards. कोर 12 रो समस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर सरीगला. आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे देखिबा कोर 13 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर. जदि वीडियो भल लागुछि लाइक करंतु आ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.